Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two titans, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo. Let's find out which one is the best for you. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is priced at $249, making it a wallet-friendly option. On the other hand, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo comes in at $279. That's a $30 difference. Reviewers appreciate the ELEGOO for its affordability and solid performance, while the ANYCUBIC, despite being slightly more expensive, is praised for its value in terms of features and build quality. When it comes to speed, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo takes the lead with a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second. Reviewers love its fast printing capabilities, stating that it significantly reduces wait time. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro, while reliable, doesn't match the speed of the ANYCUBIC, making it better suited for those who don't mind a slower pace for more detailed prints. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro features a dual-gear direct extruder made of stainless steel, which reviewers describe as smooth and reliable. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo, with its integrated extruder and advanced cooling system, is seen as robust and efficient, though some users mention needing to tweak filament settings for optimal performance. Both printers excel in bed leveling. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro uses auto mesh bed leveling with a high-precision sensor, highly praised by users for its reliability. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo introduces ELEGOO 2.0 automatic leveling, which reviewers say is very advanced and user-friendly, making the setup process a breeze. In terms of stability and noise, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro wins favor for its quiet operation and stable build, described by reviewers as calm and balanced. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo, while stable and efficient, is noted to be slightly noisier, which might be a consideration if you prefer a quieter workspace. Overall, reviewers praise the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro for its affordability, ease of use, and reliable performance. It's a great choice for those new to 3D printing or looking for a budget-friendly option. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo, meanwhile, is celebrated for its speed, advanced features, and robust build quality, making it an excellent choice for those who want to invest a bit more for higher performance. So there you have it. The budget-friendly ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the speed demon ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo both have their strengths. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the description for product links. Until next time, keep shopping smart.